crack. It's still tonight. There's no wind. There's nothing moving. It's just all of a sudden the snap of probably maybe a 1-inch little stick out there. So we stopped and looked for a little bit. As we walked off, it kind of patterned along beside us inside the tree line. We could hear a couple of steps here and a couple of steps there, but it stopped, and we went up about another 20 feet or so, and all of a sudden the insects come back to life, and we're just presenting ourselves as a curiosity for them. It's kind of like Saturday night at the movies for them, maybe.